This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web, great pricing and customer service. Contract the discount once signed up with an account. Link in description below.
Morning guys, December 13th, 2019. This one here I got a call from a customer of mine. She's got an oil fired boiler there with a power vent on the outside. An older power vent. I think I have put a new motor in that thing. But she's complaining that she's got no heat. She's got an older burner there. And might be a motor or who knows what it is. Probably been, a year or so since I've been there to do the service on it, but she's calling me no heat, so could be a circulator, could be anything. But calling me all last night and this morning a bunch of times. It's like, lady, I'll get to you as soon as I can. I'm going over there now and see if I can help her out. She says she got oil in the tank. But I asked her if she ran out before they came with the oil. She says no, she didn't run out. So we'll see when we get there and try to get you some shots.
Right on Fons Corner Mall Road.
You said, oh, it's still going, but I might need to change it, so.
Oh yeah, maybe the motor. We'll see. Let me get my kit and we'll check it out. This older unit. It is calling. That's all. Flippin' mess. I'll protect the relay. So I have new nozzle, new filter, new pump this year. Everything seems to be dripping here. The high vents are leaking. We'll check, see if we get any oil flow. Let's see if we get any oil flow there. See if we get any oil flow. We'll hit the reset. Nothing. It's not firing up. The power vent is not running. The power vent should be running, and then we had power here, so it's something to do with the power vent. There's a reset here on this one, and there's one there. We'll have to check, find out why. Yeah, see? The power vent is not running. That's a problem. I did something with that power vent. I don't know. I think I did. Power vent is going to run. Well, nothing will run. power vent has to run first. If that don't run, nothing runs. I gotta get over there and find out why. So alright guys, so I disconnected. This orange went to the red and this black went to here. So that's just bypassing this control. It'll fire right up. So we got either a bad CAD cell or a bad control. One of the two. We could try changing the CAD cell first. If that don't make it fire, we got a bad control here. Could be the CAD cell. Let's try that. I got the power off, put these back. Man, just shitty. They don't make wire nuts like they used to. So the power's going through this control and then up. Then up to the power venter. The power venter fires and it comes back. But we just jumped out that control and it ran. So we'll try it again by changing the CAD cell. We'll try that. See if it fires. If not, it's a bad control. We'll reset that. Let's see. Fire it up. Oh, we got a bad control there. We got power going in, but it's not firing it. Oh, we got a bad control. New protector relay 32819. So that's not that old. I just changed it. Alright, so we gotta change this. I got the power off. It's the black. I got the orange. I mean, just because the thing's new don't mean it's good, right? And then the white.
That's the weight from the transformer. Here's the main weight. Here's the weight from the motor. And then the weight from the protector relay. Transformer's got two blacks, so one of the blacks has to be a white. Unfortunately. Okay. And the FF goes to the CAD cell. FF goes to the CAD cell. And then we're going to jump out TT. Get it to run. Oh, got a little dripping action from above. Anything mechanical can break at any time, I will say. I will say that. So you gotta test things. Once you test things, you can find the problem. Alright, that should take care of the issue. We'll turn on the power and see if it fires up. The bad protector relay. Put the old CAD cell back. I don't think it's that old, but well, I'll just keep my new one. That's the first thing you want to change is that, because sometimes that's the problem for it firing. Got flipping drips everywhere on this system. Let's hit the power again. Okay, good draft there. I did change this protector relay, was bad. Alright guys, I had to put a new protector relay. Place Honeywell 8184G relay. I should be able to get credit for the other one because it wasn't in that long. That's what it was. Put the cover back on over there. Did check the CAD cell, that was fine. I mean, it's an old unit, it should be replaced. The oil tank. I like to check these oil tanks too. I'm going to let you know, this got a little leak here.